to success, transparency and solidity. VMAX is a benchmark in the system solution market. Our consultants are trained in business so you can extract the maximum potential from its J.D. Edwards ERP and Oracle Cloud. We speak clients' language, the language of business. Our consultants are allocated following the complexity of each activity, obtaining a perfect combination between quality and cost of the demands of our clients. VMAX has joined Oracle and other market players to provide a complete set of solutions to its customers. Fiscal solutions, financials, RFID, BI and reports, cleaning and filing, foreign trade, CRM solutions, system integration solutions, audit and security solutions. With a project team committed to VMaxSystems values, deliveries are made on time in a high degree of quality. We have created a long-term relationship with our clients, and not just one relationship per project. This relationship is built based on quality and transparency in the execution of our services, so we can grow up together with credibility in a sustainable way, sharing knowledge, because we want to be our client's first choice. VMaxSystems, maximizing and sharing knowledge.